My name is Syed Abu Huraira. Honorable Chief Guest, my respected teachers and all of my fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, the topic of speech which I am going to deliver is Kashmir Day. Kashmir is a piece of heaven on this earth. This is a land which is replete with a large number of amazing scenes. The sky-kissing mountains, the tall trees, the dense forests, the twisting lakes, the snow-packed peaks and the lush green scenery adds an white to our eyes. Nobody can deny the God-gifted beauty of this land, but alas, the inhabitants of Kashmir have been suffering from slavery since 1947. The majority of them are Muslim and this is their basic fault. They are becoming a victim of hostile India army, which treats them worse than that of animal. हर तरफ खिले हुए गुलाब हैं, हर तरफ खिले हुए गुलाब हैं, हर गुलाब में हज़ार ख्वाब हैं, ख्वाब सारी उम्र के अज़ाब हैं, पानियों में जिस तरह हबाब हैं. Kashmir issue is an unsolved matter which has been highlighted so many times with the blood of Kashmiris. This is not a silence, but this is the support to crime. They are blind, they are deaf, they are dumb. Why? Yes, because the victim is Muslim community. Today, I want to add my personal view with this poetry that खून फिर खून है बहता है तह जम जाता है, जुल्म पर जुल्म बढ़ता है तो मिट जाता है, और यारान जहाँ कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत, जन्नत किसी काफिर को मिली है न मिलेगी. The whole population is in the range of 8.5 million and 75% of the total are Muslim. So the clear ideology of theory applies there. But even in 21st century, there is a law of jungle for Kashmiris. India is committing the war crimes, but United Nations and other champions of human rights are silent. At the end, I just want to say that to be silent cruel act is also called cruelty. एक हूँ मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए, एक हूँ मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए, नील के साहिल से लेकर ताबिखा के काशगर, आज वो कश्मीर है महकूम व मजबूर फ़कीर, कल जिसे अहले नज़र कहते थे ईरान सग़ीर. वमा अलैना इल्लल बलागुल मुबीन.